Will we eat lab-grown meat, the future of food by 2050? Imagine sitting down for dinner in the year 2050. Your burger looks, smells, and tastes exactly like beef, but no animal was ever slaughtered. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this future may be closer than you think. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultivated meat, could completely change how we eat, farm, and even save the planet. So the real question is, will we actually eat it? Lab-grown meat isn't plant-based meat, it's real meat grown from animal cells. Scientists take a small sample of animal cells and place them in a controlled environment where they multiply and form muscle tissue, just like they would inside an animal. The result? Real meat without traditional farming, land use, or mass slaughter. By 2050, the global population is expected to reach nearly 10 billion people. Feeding everyone with traditional livestock farming would require enormous amounts of land, water, and resources. Livestock farming already contributes heavily to climate change, deforestation, and water pollution. Lab-grown meat promises up to 90% less land use, fewer greenhouse gas emissions, and a more sustainable food system overall. One of the biggest concerns is safety. The good news, lab-grown meat is produced in sterile environments, reducing the risk of bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. It also doesn't require antibiotics, which means it could help fight antibiotic resistance. In the future, scientists could even design meat with healthier fats, making your steak better for your heart. Despite the promise, lab-grown meat still faces major challenges. It's expensive to produce, and scaling it up for global consumption isn't easy. There's also public perception. Many people are hesitant to eat food grown in a lab. Cultural traditions, religious views, and emotional connections to farming may slow adoption. History tells us that food innovations often face resistance at first. Think about pasteurized milk, GM crops, or even microwaves. Over time, convenience, price, and necessity usually win. As lab-grown meat becomes cheaper and more familiar, future generations may see it as normal, or even preferable. So, will we eat lab-grown meat by 2050? Maybe not everyone, but it could become a major part of our diets. Whether driven by sustainability, ethics, or survival, the future of food is changing fast. And one day, the most natural thing on your plate might just come from a lab. Would you try lab-grown meat? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more future-focused videos.